Boston time. I'm so excited. I've never been before, and I am about to leave on my way to the airport. I have my little bag, and I'm super excited. With this apartment. Lauren! Oh my gosh. Morning one in Boston. Where are we going, guys? Adventure. So we took a break and we came back to the house, which I love it. And we just showered, changed, and we are going to hit the city, and then we'll come back before dinner. I'm having so much fun and I love Boston. It is time to adventure. Ooh, ooh.
Over the top. That one had a lot of seeds. And then you just dig in.
Okay, let's give it a go.
What do you think?
So good. Oh my god.
Just stuffy.
It's really hot, but it's so good. Oh yeah.
But it's all
I've ever been to.
But you know, it's not stuff that you buy and you hold on to forever. It's like you buy it and you want to eat it quick.
How much were those avocados?
Haas avocado, $1.
5 avocados for $1. It's insane. 10 limes for $1. Nuts.
Skating rink, and it's a splash pond in the summer.
Oh.
And it's just a stroll along park. And then there's the gardens on the other side. Maybe tomorrow we do Newberry. There's gardens over there with a pond where there's little swans you can rent and paddle around. Beautiful bridge. There's some statues over there. This is really like a stroll park. There's a dog park. There's a playground, ice skating rink.
And this is called
Boston Commons.
Boston Commons. Beautiful.
And
thanks,
now we're
tour
going
guide.
to Beacon Hill.
Oh. This is what they're doing right now. And we are exhausted from walking all day. Aren't you exhausted?
Oh yeah.
Exhausted. But we had such an eventful day. And now we're just trying to pick up enough energy to make it to dinner. We can do it. What'd you say?
We're not even in our 30s yet.
Yeah, we're not even in our 30s yet.
Well, some of us.
What'd you say? Oh, really?
Oh yeah.
You old.
Oh yeah.
It's my old day.
But we're going to dinner. We've got insanely spicy margaritas. Courtesy of T-Man. We're calling these the T-Margs.
Really just jalapeno infused tequila and a little bit of club soda.
Yes.
Good to the last drop.
Yeah, these are the T-Margs.
The T-Marks. Trip to Boston is not complete without getting a cannoli from Mike's Pastries. So that is exactly what we did. And boy, do they have the system down here. The line was long, but we were in and out in 5 minutes. Be aware it's cash only, and I highly suggest the Nutella one. The lady was so sweet, she even gave us an extra cannoli and winked at us. So it's Saturday night. On the town.
On the town. What we got? Oh.
3 for 4.
3 for 4. We're just at Mike's. We're about to crush some stuff. This is a good Saturday night, you guys. A nice dinner, pastries,
Uber's
and bed.
on the way.
Uber. Yes. You got Chef Lauren over there.
Bagel bar.
She's making us a bagel bar. We got little jalapeno in the house. All right, so where are we going?
We are going to the Back Bay and then Cambridge, and also going to see Harvard University. It's supposed
Harvard
to be
University.
supposed to be really nice this time of year.
Yep. Lauren,
Oh yeah!
are you excited?
Hitting up Newberry Street, Shopping Central.
Newberry Street shopping. And it is the last day for me.
Such a short trip.
I know.
Cry, cry.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. Video.
So we've made it to what street?
Newberry.
Newberry Street.
Newberry Street.
And what neighborhood?
Here in Back Bay.
Back
Just
Bay.
fancy.
It's beautiful. It's like all these really fancy shops. It's like so cute. We love it. Eating Pete's. We got some coffee. We're gonna go spike the coffee and walk around Harvard. Little nippin'.
Nipping in the cemetery.
Nippin' in the cemetery. We got our cocktails. Where are we?
We're in the Harvard Yard.
God.
Harvard.
can go here.
Time to kill, so we are going to a little brewery before I have to go to the airport. To the airport, I just had a lobster roll. It was so delicious. I absolutely love Boston, and I cannot wait to come back as soon as possible, probably this summer. I had so much fun with Lauren and Tom, and I'm so thankful for them. This was an amazing trip. Until next time.